Facilitating a Breakout EDU game just got even better. We're excited to introduce a whole new game timer experience that's readily available for each kit-based game. When looking at the details of a kit-based game, simply click Launch Timer and you'll be taken to a quick and easy setup screen. From here, you can see a game's title and story, set the game timer, which defaults to 45 minutes, and even set up how many hints to give the class, anywhere from 0 through 5. Once you tap Start Timer, the fun begins. The timer screen is perfect to display while students play a kit-based game. You can turn on some intense background music to set the mood, or not. And if you're using a large interactive class display, students can even come to the screen and click on available hints to pause the game. Once you've provided them with the hint, you can simply click to resume the timer. An all-new feature in this tool is the clickable locks. When your class is playing a game, they can easily tap on the lock they've just completed to track their progress and allow you, the facilitator, to quickly and easily see where players are in a game. Clicking End Game or allowing the time to run out will bring up a prompt asking if the class broke out. Win or lose, a "We broke out" or "We almost broke out" sign is displayed, allowing the screen to serve as a great backdrop during your class celebration. When you're all finished, a quick survey will ask you to rate the game. This feedback will help you find similar games to the one you played if you provide a favorable review, and it also helps provide our game team with information on how you and your students enjoyed the game. We can't wait for you to level up Breakout in your classroom with the new Kit Game Timer tool.